How to power off the iPhone 16 series without using the power button. First, on your home screen or on your device, all you have to do is swipe down at the top here, and there is a small power button. All you have to do is just touch and hold on the button. So touch and hold and then let go. After that, you can swipe across to power off the device. And that's it. You do not need to use the power button at all, and you still can power off your phone. And to turn the phone back on, you can press on the side button here, press and hold onto it, and that will allow you to turn on your iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro or the Pro Max or the Plus. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And now it has put up. I just need to put in my PIN to gain access to my home screen.